extension wire. The first tool is cord wire, the second tool is live wire, the third tool is neutral wire, and the fourth tool is earth wire.
We have plug 3-pin 13 ampere, and we have socket 13 ampere, and the last tool we have mounting box.
Firstly, take out your socket and take out your screwdriver, then put the earth wire, which is the green one, and connect it properly. Secondly, take your live wire, which is the red one, and screw it properly. Thirdly, take your neutral wire and screw it properly. To connect the 3 wires in the first socket, then take your second socket and connect the live wire with the first socket one. Then connect the neutral wire from the first socket and take another neutral wire from the second socket and connect it for the second socket. Take the live wire, which is connected from the first socket with the second socket, and screw it for the second socket. Then take the earth wire from the first socket and the second socket and screw it together. Then you need to take the cord wire, which is 1.5 millimeter, and twist it, then put it into the hole of the mounting box properly. That to join the cord wire and the socket, you need to connect the wire from it. Firstly, take the live wire and connect the live wire which is come from the socket, connect it with the brown wire which is come from the cord wire. Secondly, take your live wire that come from the socket and connect it with the blue wire which is come from the cord wire. And thirdly, take your earth wire from the socket and connect it with the cord wire. Then take the connected live wire and connect it into the socket. Then take the neutral wire which is connected and connect it in the socket. Then take the connected earth wire and connect it into the socket. After you connect the wires, you need to screw the outlet socket neatly. Take the 3-pin socket wire and connect the live wire into the live place. Then take the connected earth wire and connect it into the socket. Then take the neutral wire which is connected and connect it in the socket. Then you need to close the opener of the 3-pin socket neatly using the screwdriver. Let's check by using test pen. Firstly, take your test pen and check the current through the live wire.